Well, technology changes in a flash when it comes to using lasers to smooth and regenerate skin. The newest tools and techniques peel away years in minutes. I'm sure you've heard about it. It is the latest way to look younger without going under the knife. Dr. Dayan is a facial plastic surgeon, a leading expert in this area. He joins us here this morning with some information and also a live demonstration for us. Nice to have you here.
It's good to be back, Judy.
Okay, so we are talking about a micro peel.
Yes, this is a laser that removes the superficial layers of the skin. So we're peeling away the superficial layers of the skin, but only a small portion. That's why we call it micro.
How long does it take? Is it painful? I have so many questions.
All good questions. But it doesn't take very long. It just takes a few minutes, and then it's really not that painful. But because some people may feel a little bit of burning or a little bit of heat, we can use a topical numbing cream. And this topical numbing cream is fantastic. If we put it on the skin, we let it sit there for about 10 minutes afterwards. And by the way, this topical numbing cream is terrific for those of you who have young kids or if you're afraid of needles, because you can put it on your arm before a shot and you don't feel it. A lot of people don't realize that, but I have young kids, and before they go to the doctor, I put the numbing cream on and they don't feel the shots.
Is that something we can just get over the counter, or is it prescription?
You can get it over the counter, but there's a stronger version that I can get for you.
Okay, well, who do we have here?
This is our lovely model, Katie.
Hi, Katie. Hi. So Katie is going to get a live micro peel.
We're going to do a live micro peel, and I'm going to do it on the left side of her face because the right side has the cream, and you can see the cream that we normally use. And then we wipe it off after about 10 minutes, which I already did on the other side.
Okay.
And then we'll treat her with the laser.
And the result is to take away wrinkles, what?
Well, that's a good question. The treatment we're doing today removes the superficial dead skin cells, removes blemishes, removes superficial brown spots. Okay. The skin looks polished, fresh, and healed.
Okay. I'm going to let you go ahead and do that. Okay. I have to put on these goggles, just like Katie has goggles on.
And the nice thing about this is that we can do it pretty quickly, and you can do a series of 4 tubes. Are you ready, Katie? 1, 2, 3.
And by the way, Dr. Dayan was explaining to me that you get to choose as the patient how aggressive you want the treatment to be.
That's absolutely correct. In other words, if you really want to remove wrinkles, I can go very deep. But if I go deep, it's going to take a lot more time to heal. You might be down for 3 or 4 days with redness. If I do it this level, you won't be red at all.
So literally, it just takes seconds?
You just saw me do it, yep.
Oh, okay. Well, you know what? We have a before and after picture for you of another patient who had this done. This is a kind of a profile view.
And you can see the wrinkles that are kind of gone around the eyes, and that was after one deeper treatment. So she was red for a couple days, but she's got terrific results. Is thrilled with the wrinkles that are gone.
Wow, you do see the wrinkles around her eyes and underneath her eyes are gone. So she had an aggressive treatment.
She had a more aggressive treatment, right? So that's not really a micro peel. It's kind of a moderate peel, I guess.
So she was a couple days of redness afterwards?
Correct.
Okay,
yep.
And how much does this cost?
Well, it varies, but most of the treatments are about $200 a treatment, or $200, $250.
Okay, well, Dr. Dayan actually of what I would look like after having gotten this treatment, but we will show you that coming up in just a little bit after this. By the way, you can find a link to Dr. Dayan's website on ours for more information about the micro peel, and I'll be right back with that picture, I think. Here. And as we said earlier, Dr. Dayan found a picture. He has a picture, he tells me, to show what I could look like if I had gotten the micro peel.
Well, Judy, I know someone who went to high school with you, and I happen to find a picture of you.
All right.
And this is what you would look like if you were to undergo the micro peel, which I'm going to try to convince you to do.
I have not seen that picture in so long, and for good reason.
Can you do anything about the hair?
We can fix that too at the same time, of course.
You know, I will take a 16-year-old skin again. Totally. I could do without that hair.
I can do that for you.
Yeah. Thanks, Steve.
Got going with that.
How funny is
I'm so glad we embarrassed you.
You have the inside track because I went to high school with your sister.
Yes, you did go to high school with my sister, so I did take advantage of that a little bit. I'm sorry.
Oh, so there's more yearbooks. Excellent.
Yes, there is. I'm still looking for Roz and Tracy's yearbook.
We'd love to see them all, Dr. Dayan. We would.
We'll see if we can do it. I'll find them.
Thanks for coming in today. By the way, if you want more information about the micro peel, you may not look like you're 16 again, but you can find that information on our website. That does it for us this morning. Thanks for joining us. For Tracy, Roz, Stacy, and our guest, Dr. Dayan, I'm Judy Sue.
And I'm Rob Johnson. Join us every morning at 5 a.m. Good Morning America is